Yeah, that went.
I missed the thing when I can get a V out of this. I get a V out.
As soon as we got into Wrightsville, we picked up Cody's brother Austin at the dock. It was his first time meeting Millie, as well as the first time we had seen him in quite some time. As breakfast was cooking and the jam crew was in session, we enjoyed a calm morning on board. I'm Therese, and this is Cody. After meeting in Fiji, we decided to continue living our lives together. With a love for the ocean, we upgraded and combined our shelters to a 40-foot sailboat and started exploring our options. While working, fighting, loving each other, and dreaming, we also managed to make a human. This is MillieBreeze, our little girl we hope to teach that life is simple if you let it. Subscribe and join us with the world at our keel.
Beard guy.
Taking advantage of everything Wrightsville has to offer, we spent our first day at the beach having downtime and fun time and introducing Millie to some of her first real waves. That night, we were lucky to have dinner prepared and provided by Cody's old friend Matt, who had been fishing that morning and came back with his catch of the day. We all had an amazing meal and evening, enjoying old stories, a couple of beers, and delicious fish.
Yeah, all the water, baby.
Austin had to leave, and we were left by ourselves. We hadn't had family time in a while, and before Cody's parents would arrive a few days later, we made sure to get the boat ready to be able to enjoy ourselves on anchor. Fishing and cooking enthusiast Matt came over again with his girlfriend this time, and again he provided and cooked a feast for us. We are lucky.
Ooh, easy there, Tiger. So yeah, here's Matt's collection today. You want to describe what you got, Matt?
No, the worst yield. Got some clams. Yesterday's sheep's head fishing was amazing.
Yeah, we didn't even record any of the sheep's head that we caught last night.
They were great.
And by we, I mean Matt himself. We didn't do a damn thing.
I just love feeding, man.
Yeah.
It's fun. So we got some crab, got some stone crab, got some clams and some sheep's head, and blue crab.
Nice. That's going to be a sick meal.
Seafood, quesadillas.
Hell yeah.
Just going straight on with these clams. They'll pop open, and then we'll take the clam out and put them on our delicious quesadillas. Got a beautiful T-bone.
We found. Where'd you catch that?
I found this down on Mott's channel. I think it was like a black Angus fish.
Oh.
She was just floating down the waterway.
Tell him what it is.
It is hot clam.
Dude, you gonna need
hot clam.
Here, clap your hands.
Hot clams.
Clap your hands. Ow.
We're gonna season the steak up with tiger seasoning and then do a little pan sear on it and make some
If I could
quesadillas.
take you back to my youth and show you what I wish I knew. My will is strong with a place to lean. In the moment I hung desperately. The other ring on my wrist is gold. Pairing with the light it holds.
You wanna try blue crab, Therese?
My skin and bone. Wait, hold on. Put me together. Take me back where I've been.
Therese was listening to that steak. This is taco seasoning.
That's good.
Yeah, that's like perfect like beginner steak.
That's amazing.
Yeah, that's good.
Take me back where I belong. I want it all.
Also lucky enough to be able to borrow Matt's boat, we ventured out for a day of sun. Wrightsville is such a nice and protected little area with beaches and beautiful nature all around. Millie loves the water and the wind even more, so this hot, breezy day was just a thing.
I make my YouTube channel.
Uh-huh.
I want to be included on these videos. Cheers.
And as the next morning came about, Cody was invited by the catch and cook fanatic himself to go out on a shopping spree. Hey Millie, where's Dad going?
The grocery store.
Dad's gonna go catch some fish, okay? Bye-bye, Dad.
Bye-bye.
Alright, go catch dinner.
Miller. Bye, Miller. Mallard.
It was another beautiful day, and apparently the fishing conditions were too good to pass, truth be told.
Hey, you want me to gap him? Pretty good size? Yeah. Let him run. No.
So first Albie hook up.
Easy. Let him run. Let him run. Let him run. Nice. Nice hook.
Look at that belly here you just threw up.
Nice. That's what they're getting after.
That's what we're after. Cannot beat it.
Cody's parents came in for a week, and through days of laughter and fishing, Millie again got to know her grandparents.
I think she takes it to the new level.
She's very happy about having her grandparents here. Living on the water, this is how it is. Every time we get to see family, we have to spend it wisely, because we don't know when the next time comes around. Throughout our relationship, there has also been a lot of times where Cody and I had to be apart, and unfortunately, that's not always something we see coming either, and it was getting close. This time, we made sure to take full advantage because Norway was going to be cold this time of year. You're happy with yourself?
It ain't hard to babysit.
You practicing?
Hey, let me hoist you up a little bit, honey. Damn me when your toe touches the water. You gonna go zip lining?
So, what's about to happen is that Millie and I have to fly to Norway, and we're sort of spending the last few days, just the three of us, to have some alone time, have some family time. We've been pretty busy since we got here, had Cody's brother and family visiting, some friends over and stuff like that, which is always nice, and we only see them a couple times a year, if so it's always good. Sorry, I'm just laughing because Cody really...
We didn't do it.
They're playing. But yeah, I am getting mentally prepared to fly with Millie by myself to Norway for a few reasons that I'll get into later. And Cody's gonna stay behind. Again, it's like the story of our lives a little bit, unfortunately. But yeah, it's gonna be good. So stay tuned. What did I do to your feet?
What happened? Uh-oh. You're too much of a boat baby at this point. She's weirded out by us putting clothes on her feet.
What are these?
You have socks on?
I don't wear things on my feet. I can't feel the rug. Feels weird, huh? Yeah, that feels weird. Oh man. Oh, I bet you can
Don't
taste
you dare.
it. You could taste it.
You dare.
Socks